Hey guys, hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another bullet journal spread video. After sharing so many monthly spreads with you, I am back with another monthly spread for the month of September. So I am using a brush pen over here. I'll leave the link for the same in the description box below. So I always prefer starting a new month with a good quote, and that's what I'm doing it over here. Once done with the writing work, I am drawing a doodle with a scenery over here, and later on I'll cut the borders from the right side. Just trying something new this time. Rest of the things almost remain the same, the monthly log, the weekly log. It's just the design or the way I am writing it is different depending on the theme of this month. So for the weekly log, I've made few random boxes, one box for each day, and I have created some notes doodle to make it look attractive. So the next page is for the habit tracker and mood tracker. I am creating an outlay as shown in the video. I'll show you how I have used this kind of pattern to record things. So this is the pattern of previous month, so that's how I record my mood in graphical way. And that's for the sleep, the hours I sleep each day, and that's the habit tracker. The next page is for the gratitude, next one for the brain dump, and the last one is for the monthly overview, where I ask myself few questions which are to be answered. And once basic outlay is done, I am using some soft pastel colors which are very quick to use to make the look of the spread more attractive. And I'm using very little of it because it sticks to your hand when you're using the spread, or you need to fix the colors. So yes. And now let's have a quick flip through of the spread. It's super simple, super basic, and very easy. Anyone can try it out. And the main motto behind making the spread this attractive is so that you can use, or I can use, this journal every day. It takes me back to the journal every day. So yes, I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe to my channel. And also stay tuned for more videos. Until then, bye, take care.